doom and destruction throughout the galaxy because Standard & Poor's downgraded the U.S. bond market. Now, this caused markets to fall throughout the galaxy. Now, the question here today is, do you think the U.S. can continue to pay off its debts?
Oh, yes, they can. They got so much money to pay those debts off. They sure can.
I don't know. That might be a tough one. They might have to make a couple of sacrifices to do so.
Do you think the government can pay off its bills?
No, I think it's an absolute joke. The government is in such a situation that I don't know how they think they're going to pay off their bills. We are so in debt in this country, and all this nonsense, stuff like this isn't helping anything. This is, if anything, making it worse. The U.S. government, I don't know how they're going to get out of the situation that they're currently in, but they're going to have to come up with something a little bit better than that, because I think this is actually making it worse, not better.
There is no way that we can continue on this way. The reason that things are falling apart is because they are apart. You know, but the greatest thing that happened was a lady who's an investment banker, and these aren't the biggest fans of mine, flew a sign over New York City because there's no no-fly zone over by the Capitol, right? We can't do that over the president. And it said, "Thanks for the downgrade. You should all be fired." And you know what? She's exactly right. This was not done by the American people. This was done by our so-called elected leaders. And I actually mean this. There's nothing else to say but that.
Now, an interesting thing was on the very day that S&P downgraded the U.S. bond market, it causing markets to fall throughout the galaxy, that investors went into the safety of gold and U.S. bonds.
Dude, I'm going to give it this.
They went into U.S. bonds.
Yeah, gold's going up because that's what always goes up. Just look at the history of the way the stock market, everything runs. Gold is the highest member because guess what? You have nothing left to lose. Let's sell the most valuable asset that you think you have.
But what do you think about Standard & Poor's downgrading U.S. bonds, and yet one of the very best days in years in U.S. bonds, the same day they downgraded?
No, because they downgraded because it wasn't because of America. It was because of our government. There's a difference between the American people and our leaders. You should know that.
Yes and no. It's a double-sided blade. Yes, they downgraded on it, but that also means the price on the bill, as well as gold, also went up. But that means the government itself also lost value of it.
Do you think Standard & Poor's was right for doing this?
No, I think it's kind of one of their little tricky things that they do, as like when people see that their stocks are going down on the stock market, they hurry up and start selling them. You know, it's kind of one of those things. It's not a coincidence that they downgraded the day that the sales went up on stocks and bonds. They downgraded. So I think it's just all a bunch of baloney, pretty much.
That I don't think it's good. Why are people buying bonds if the stock market's dropping? Why should they do that? I don't think it's right.
Now, what do you think is the best way for the government in this planet to pay off its bills?
Stop spending money. They bring all of our troops home. Not like that, but we have to downgrade everything. When you're broke, what do you stop doing? Spending money. Anybody says that we can keep spending and spending, it's crazy. It's like, oh my God, I'm broke, but my way out of it is to spend more money. We all know in real life that shit doesn't exist.
At this point, I have no idea what to suggest. I just know that this country is in a very bad state, and somebody needs to come up with some kind of an idea, because everything that they seem to be doing is failing miserably. I wish I had the answer, because in that case, you could vote for me for president. I don't have the answer. Hopefully somebody else will come up with it. But anyway, we need help, country. United States, come on, somebody come and figure something out.
Okay, now, what do you think is the best way for the government to pay off their bills?
I'd have to say start trading, figure out new inventions to trade with and stuff such as that. Another thing would probably be try taking drastic steps to raise the value of the dollar, as well as gold and other things that are here.
Just pay all the stuff that they can, because they got all that money, kid. They can do it. They can pay off their debts and everything. They can do it. I think they should pay their stuff off.
So in closing, is there any last minute things you'd like to say to the beings throughout the galaxy?
I'm still waiting for the president to prove himself. I'm still waiting for this president to stand up and do something that's going to impress the hell out of the country, so we can go, thank you. Because so far, between all the sides and this and that. Everything's just a big mess. Somebody's got to come and actually do something.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, dude, I think we should get rid of everybody from Obama down. Start with a whole new lot.
I'd have to say, be careful what you do. Make sure you're wise and check things before you do it.
You all have yourselves a nice day, and I will be watching you all, governments.
Now that interplanetary turmoil is throughout the galaxy because the Standard & Poor's downgraded the U.S. bond market, what are you going to do? You're going to watch the predatory lender.